Are you ready to stop feeling sorry for yourself? Are you ready to stop seeking validation? Then subscribe. This video is for you. Hi, my name is Megara and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to heal together. First and first, embrace and be your authentic self. This may sound simple, but it controls your entire life. Naturally, I'm a calm person and don't socialize much. Everything was going peacefully until I start paying attention to other people. I see that they have massive group of friends, looking cool, chilling, living this hyper lively life. So I try to force myself into that energy. But guess what? I get drained completely. I feel very close. It was almost embarrassing because I know deep down that wasn't my energy. And here's what happens when you try to copy other people. Instead of you focusing on your goals, your growth, and your day-to-day daily improvements, your focus completely diverts into something irrelevant. Why? Because you're trying to be somebody else. That energy belongs to them. It is not yours. The second thing is, do not run away from yourself. This may sound simple, but it is incredibly deep for us humans. When I felt a victim of this, I was carrying so much pain, weight, and heaviness. It literally felt like something was stuck inside my chest. You need to understand that the only person you truly need to survive in this world is yourself. Please stop running away from who you are. Accept yourself, love yourself, and if you aren't satisfied with where you are right now, don't hide. Start a level of journey on your own terms. The best part about accepting and loving yourself is that you become completely self-aware. This shift changes everything. It clears the mental space for you to actually work on areas where you are lacking. And guess what? You won't even feel embarrassed when someone tries to make fun of you for it. You just look at them and be like, oh, I already know about that and I'm working on it. The third step is rebuild your self-esteem. You've probably heard the phrase, fake it till you make it. After criticizing myself for so long, my self-esteem hit bottom rock. I became a severe overthinker. Before I started trying to copy others, my mind was impenetrable. If someone was rude to me or tried to disrespect me, I didn't even look at them. I didn't care. Within 3 seconds, that incident completely flashed out of my mind. If you ask me about it later, I couldn't remember. Why? Because I simply refused to bring myself down to the miserable level. When my self-esteem shattered, everything changed. To survive when I went out, I had to deliberately activate a confident character, a version of myself I wished I was. It helped me a little, but it was just a mask. So, how did I actually rebuild? I got healed by the Lord. Something shifted inside me, and after that, I felt this profound, undeniably inner peace, completely from within. You can never truly understand this feeling until you experience it. Right then, I completely rewired my brain to be relentlessly positive. The second a negative thought or criticism pops up, I reframe it immediately. I replace it with a high positive thinking style. The kind of absolute unwavering confidence that blocks out every single piece of outside noise. The final step is be unique. You truly would never believe how magnificent you look when you choose to be completely authentic. Look at the world deeply right now. You'll notice that almost everyone behaves exactly like each other. It looks like an endless loop of people copying the next person, chasing the same shallow validation. Now think about you stepping out of that. You choose your own authentic self. You instantly command your own aura, your own pattern, your own rules. You become so deeply attractive that people naturally become obsessed with your energy. So ladies, focus entirely on being you. Now imagine this, in a world full of carbon copies, you're entirely unique, like a rare pear in the dark. Doesn't that sound magnificent? I truly hope you learned something from this video. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next video.